Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Boulder Bond. Welcome back. Today I am going to be setting up my July monthly view and my note pages in the brand new Erin Condren Life Planner. If you guys didn't see my comparison video against the neutral and the colorful version, I'll leave a little card over here. This is the first time I've had the neutral version, so I am super nervous and very excited to play around with it, which is why I am so early to set up my July pages. So this one starts in July and ends in June, I believe it is. I got the 12-month July through June version. That way when Erin Condren comes out in June again, I'll be able to buy the brand new planner, where as in the past, I've gotten the 18-month planners and the rest of the months end up not being used because I'm just too excited to use the brand new planner. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by putting down the monthly view first. Now I'm a little nervous, like I said, because this is so new to me. In the colorful version, there's actually, you know, the large bar. Let me see if I can show you right here that you can use as a guideline to put down the stickers. Now that isn't the case on the neutral version. Also, on here, I notice that there is a little like flag in the corner here, which I'm kind of bummed about because I imagine that I'm going to see that when I put my sticker down. And up here, I have the sticker made to fit right over here, so there's no like color coming through on any side. So I did really enjoy that. Because this kit is the same color, I don't think it will bother me too much, although I might actually make this to be a little bit larger because it would still work well in the old planner as well. So let's go ahead. I suppose I'm gonna line this up against the dates maybe at the bottom here. That might be the easiest way. So I'll just line it up right over the dates. Yeah, that's perfect. All right, yeah, so you can see a bit of the flag popping through, but like I said, it's not that big of a deal because it is matching. I might just add like a little flag. I do have these little flags in the regular kit now because of the flags in the neutral, so I might just add a couple in this kit. That way at least it is matchy-matchy and you can put that down at the bottom. That might be another option, we'll see. All right, let's go ahead and put the other side down. I'm gonna do the same thing and then just match up the numbers. Oh, that's good. At least I can match up this side too and cover the bar. I was a little concerned about the bar because I was like, I wonder if I'll need to make a sticker to cover that up, but it looks like I don't need a sticker. Oh, I love that. All right, let's go ahead and put down the sidebar here. This is new for this year where they have the little calendar there, which is awesome because these little boxes are made like to fit inside these boxes here, so they're totally separate, so you will have the option to just keep that calendar there and not cover it up if you don't want to. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of these guys down and then we'll see if I decide to keep it or not. I typically don't use like calendars to look ahead for the month because this is for August, but I have seen several people use it like to color code and stuff, so I don't know. Do you guys use this calendar? What do you guys use it for? Let me know down below. I'm interested to hear what you guys use your calendar for. I'm just going to cover that little calendar for now since I don't really have a plan for it yet, but definitely let me know down below what you guys would use this for or what you plan on using it for. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put down all of the numbers and I'll be right back. All right, that looks super cute. I was in a total zone and I almost put down my boxes for the bottom here without turning the camera back on, but thankfully I remembered. All right, so let's go ahead and put these guys down. Like I said, they fit right inside of the little boxes here. I want to put this one over on this side. Perfect. And this guy I want to put over here. That looks great. Oops. It's so hard with the ring being like so far down now. I'm so used to it being like all big and bulky now. And I feel like I'm just so far away from the left-hand side with this right here. So, all right, let's go ahead and put this guy over here. Awesome. And then this guy we will put right here. Perfect. All right. Now there is just the one holiday this month, so we're going to put the Independence sticker right on top of this one. I did add another one with a star, just so if you had a special date or plan, you could put this down as well. All of my special events are on Wednesday, and you know what, actually I do have plans on the 19th, so we'll go ahead and put that here. I typically use this for my YouTube videos, but I also keep track of special events like birthdays, anniversaries. If I actually already know that I have something planned, I'll put it in here as well. And then for my Etsy calendar, I use my bullet journal to keep track of everything Etsy related pretty much in there. I do have 4 other boxes. I'm going to use these on Friday for my Friday videos. I do videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Last week I was a little behind on videos because I had tons of new releases going out, so I pushed the videos back a bit, but I am getting caught up. All right, I also have 4 little page flags. Why don't we go ahead and use them for Wednesday's videos. Oh, this is perfect, especially since I already have the Independence there. So we'll just put that right above Independence Day. That way I know that I need to put up my video. All right, and actually I want to put this one down here. And we'll put the silver one right up here. And then I also grabbed my YouTube stickers. I have a bunch of these older YouTube stickers, so I want to use them, and this was perfect to fit this color scheme. And there's actually 5 Mondays in July, so we'll have an extra Monday, like plan with me type of video. This is going out on Friday because I have a special 4th of July video in this planner that will be going out on Monday for you guys. So look forward to that. I am super excited to show you guys. All right, perfect. Now I also have a bunch of icons and these money stickers, but I use these in my budget planner. If you guys want to see a look at my budget planner, I'll leave a little card over here if you guys want to check that out. All right, let's move on to the note pages. Ooh, this is going to be super exciting also. So I have the 2 note kits that I typically have in the shop. Now you guys can see Erin Condren got rid of the circle version, but I decided to go ahead and keep it around in the shop at least for the last of the 6 months, because I know that there's going to be tons of people that aren't going to be moving over to the new planner until the end of the year or the beginning of next year. But you can also use these in the brand new one if you like that as well. We'll see how that works out. I think that they might look really pretty over on this side. You know what, let's go ahead and try it. I'm gonna go ahead and put down the circle version on the right hand side where I typically put it on the left, and then I also use this one on the right, but this month we're going to change it up. All right, let's go ahead and like turn this around. Yeah, that looks great. Okay, so, well, you guys are gonna see how I do this for the first time also. Now, do we want to put it all the way up top? I feel like I'm gonna put it all the way up top and cover up that little flag there. I'm kind of annoyed at the little flag just because it's a neutral like type of planner. I don't wanna see any of that stuff. I feel like I'm getting really picky with my planning now. All right, so these are long sticker strips. All right, I think what I'm gonna do is line it up against the line here and not the actual top. Usually I push this up all the way against the top at the top there, but I feel like if I do that, it may not line up correctly because that could be totally crooked, I don't know. So I'm gonna use the lines actually, and that looks perfect. All right, I love it. You can see the lines popping through a touch. Now, when I originally made these kit, I made it so that you could see them through all the way because I had that matte removable paper. So I like the idea that you don't really see it, but there's like a faint line to it, so you can use it as a guideline if you like still, or you can just look at it and probably not even see the lines. So I really like that. I am just so excited about this, and actually this note kit is one of my favorites, so I was glad actually to see the circles go because I really enjoyed using these. And you know, you guys saw me use it regardless of having it on this side. I always had it on the right hand side. Now I don't know if I'm going to be continuing that with the circles here. I might just end up using the note pages, and when my budget planner is filled up, I might put the budget over here. We'll see. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. So like I said, never done the circle side on this side, so this is completely new to me. Now let's go ahead and cover up that flag at the top there. I kind of like seeing like July over here and then the notes here. It's kind of cute. All right, so let's go ahead and put the circles just, you know, up on the left-hand side here. I think that looks adorable with that background there. Woven Wonders, is that what it's called? I don't know. I think it's Woven Wonders. It is so gorgeous. All right, and we'll put the other one here. Now, hopefully I gave it enough space to put all of them. Yeah. All right, perfect. And now, I don't even know if I want to put down the rest of the kit, but I may as well show you guys what it looks like. But doesn't that look cute just with those? You might want to have like 4 more at the bottom there, but let's see. All right, let's go ahead and put this down. This is a monthly tracker. I like to change it up and track different things for the month depending on what my goals are up top. Typically, I like to focus on one of the main goals and see if I can't work on it every single day until it's done. Let's put this flush against the tracker as much as I can anyway. All right, and I'm gonna put this next to it as well. So I can see a little bit of the words back there, but guys, really not so much. I'm actually quite liking this. I might have to do this. We'll see. Like I said, everything's a work in progress, and this just might be so cute to do every month. I'm definitely going to continue doing it for next month, and probably for the rest of the year. Now I'm actually going to be sad to get rid of it because I actually quite like how that looks. Doesn't that look super cute? All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put down some of these headers. I do like to use the left-hand side for my personal life, just this note kit. I shouldn't say like the left or the right now because I just totally changed up my routine. So I like to use this as like a running to-do list of things I need to get done in the month of July, and that's just for my personal life. I'm going to put down events here. Yeah, let's put down, actually let's put the events here. And I'm gonna put goals. Now, I typically keep track of my goals and as one of those circle options, but I really wanna have a little bit more space for my personal goals. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use that. I might change up that goal over here to something else this week, actually. That might be a good idea. All right, so let's go ahead and fill this in really quickly. All right, so I went ahead and filled this in. I went with Etsy, Create Joy, that's my monthly sticker subscription, YouTube, and Instagram. I absolutely love how this turned out. I think I am going to be enjoying my note pages this year. Absolutely love it. So a look at my July note pages and my monthly view. I hope you guys enjoyed the new kits. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!